Hey y'all! Today we're diving into some amazing DIY natural household products that are not only eco-friendly but also super economical. Now, I love me some store-bought cleaners, don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's just so satisfying to whip up something yourself, you know? Plus, it's gentler on your wallet and the environment. We're talking simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry, like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. We'll tackle everything from your kitchen counters to those grimy grout lines in the bathroom, all with the power of nature. So grab your rubber gloves and that old mason jar you've been saving, and let's get cleaning. First up, we're tackling a recipe that's as versatile as a cast iron skillet, the all-purpose cleaner. Now, this ain't your mama's blue stuff, no siree. We're going au naturel with equal parts water and white vinegar. Just pour them both into a spray bottle and give it a good shake. Want to add a little something something? A few drops of your favorite essential oil will do the trick. Lavender is always calming, lemon is nice and fresh, or you can go wild with a blend. This cleaner is perfect for wiping down counters, appliances, even sticky messes from those little cowpokes. Window cleaning, not my favorite chore, I'll be honest. But this next recipe makes it a whole lot easier, and you won't believe how streak-free it leaves your windows and mirrors. We're talking crystal clear, folks. Grab yourself a spray bottle and combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and just a splash, about a tablespoon of white vinegar. Give it a good shake and you're ready to tackle those smudges. Use a microfiber cloth for best results. Those things are like magic. Now let's mosey on over to the bathroom where we'll conquer that porcelain throne with a simple yet mighty cleaner. It's all about the fizz, folks. Sprinkle half a cup of baking soda into your toilet bowl, then slowly pour in a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Watch it bubble and work its magic for about 15 minutes. It's like a science experiment for your toilet. Then grab your trusty toilet brush and give it a good scrub. Flush, and you're left with a sparkling clean bowl that would make even the pickiest mother-in-law proud. Clogged drains are the worst, am I right? But before you reach for those harsh chemicals, give this natural solution a try. It's like a volcano for your drain, but in a good way. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of white vinegar. Stand back and let it fizz and pop for a few minutes. It's breaking down all that gunk. Then flush it all down with hot water and your drain will be flowing freely again. It's like magic, but without the magician. Now more than ever, we're all about keeping our homes germ-free. But you don't need harsh chemicals to get the job done. This DIY disinfecting spray is tough on germs, but gentle on your surfaces. In your trusty spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 20 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural powerhouse when it comes to fighting bacteria. Give the bottle a good shake and spritz away on any surface that needs a good disinfecting. Let it air dry and breathe easy knowing your home is clean and healthy. Let's be honest, cleaning the oven is nobody's favorite chore. But with this DIY cleaner, it doesn't have to be such a dreaded task. It's all about that baking soda magic again. In a bowl, combine half a cup of baking soda with just enough water to make a paste. Think the consistency of thick gravy. Spread that paste all over the inside of your oven, avoiding the heating elements. Let it sit overnight and work its magic. The next day, simply wipe it all clean with a damp cloth. You'll be amazed at how easily the grime comes off. Who needs those store-bought air fresheners full of chemicals when you can make your own with just a few simple ingredients? This DIY air freshener will leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. In a spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. I love using a citrus blend for a bright and cheery scent. Give it a good shake and spritz away. Your home will smell like a spring meadow in no time. Whether you've got hardwood floors or tile, this DIY floor cleaner will leave them sparkling clean without the harsh chemicals. It's so easy, you'll want to kick off your shoes and dance on those clean floors. In your mop bucket, combine half a cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. That's it, mop as usual and watch your floors shine. This cleaner is safe for most types of flooring, but it's always a good idea to test it out in an inconspicuous area first, just to be sure. Y'all have been such a great audience, I just had to throw in a little something extra. This DIY fabric softener will leave your clothes soft, cuddly, and smelling divine, without all those harsh chemicals. Just mix together half a cup of white vinegar, yes vinegar, with 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender is always a classic for a calming and relaxing scent. Add this mixture to your washing machine during the rinse cycle and voila! Your clothes will come out feeling soft and smelling heavenly. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed these natural cleaning recipes as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Remember, keeping our homes clean and healthy doesn't have to mean using harsh chemicals or breaking the bank. With a few simple ingredients and a little elbow grease, you can have your home sparkling clean and smelling fresh as a daisy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more homemaking tips and tricks. And be sure to share these recipes with your friends and family. They'll thank you for it. Now go forth and make your homes shine.